cube roots. Okay, more on that. Okay, let's try to find the cube root of 474552. Okay, now in many as you go into higher mathematics, higher classes, being able to find these roots becomes that much more difficult. So the faster you can do, the faster you can solve the problem. Okay, let's look at 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 cube, yes, that gives you what? 1000. Yes, 100 cube gives you what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So basically here the number of zeros becomes 3 times. Okay, so here you have a single zero, here you have 3 zeros, here you have 2 zeros, here you have 6 zeros. Okay, that is one thing you need to just keep it in mind. Now let's look at the cubes of 1 to 10. 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 5 cube is 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, 6 cube is 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216, 7 cube is 7 7s are 49, 7s are so 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, and 10 cube is 1000. Okay, so this much you have to remember. Now, apart from that, what you have to remember is the units place, right? Only the units place. When you cube a number, what happens to its units place? Cube root of a number with 1 in its units place will give you a 1 in the unit place of the cube root. Okay, let's repeat that. When you cube a number with 2 in the units place, it will give you 8 in the units place of the cube root. Okay, let's see. Let's try to figure out. Now 6 digits means what? There are 6 digits here. So 6 digits. Here you have 7 digits. Okay, so it has to be less than 100. The cube root has to be less than 100. 10 cube is 1000. So that means it has to be between 10 and 100. It can't be 100, so it has to be a 2-digit number. It has to be a 2-digit number. Yes. Now look at the units place of this. It is 2. So when will you get in the units place 2? Here. That means the units place is 8 in the cube root. Ignore this and focus on the 474. Now in this list of cube roots, where does 474 fall? 474 falls between 7 and 8. But it can't be 512. It has to be less than 512. So that means it is 7. So your cube root is 7. Yes. Shall we test it out? 78 into 78 into 78. 474552. find the cube root of 13824. Let's again group them into threes from right to left. Okay, now here you have 4. So 4 appears only in case of 4. So 4, it's a 2-digit number. Units place is 4. Now look at the leftmost set that contains 13. Now 13 falls between 2 and 3. So 24. Just try it out. And you will find the answer is correct. Let's very quickly do 592,704. We have to find the cube root of this. Okay, we have to find the cube root of this. Okay, now groups of 3, 4. So it is a 2-digit number. So 4, 592 falls where? Between 8 and 9. So 8. Right? So once you practice, it becomes that much more easier. Now, what about cube root of 125,100? Okay. So now here again group 0 is 0. Okay. And 125 falls where? 125 is exactly 50. So 50. Yes. So practice. Bye for now.